Entry door security is a top priority for homeowners in Coppell, Texas. Ensuring your entry doors Coppell are equipped with the latest security features can provide peace of mind. From advanced locking systems to reinforced frames, entry door security in Coppell TX is essential for protecting your home and family. Custom entry doors offer a unique way to enhance the curb appeal of your home in Coppell, Texas. With a variety of materials such as wooden entry doors, steel entry doors, and fiberglass entry doors, you can create a personalized look that reflects your style. Custom doors. Coppell Texas are designed to fit your specific needs and preferences. Energy-efficient doors are a smart investment for homeowners in Coppell, Texas. These doors help reduce energy costs by providing superior insulation and weatherproofing. Energy-efficient doors Coppell are available in various styles and materials, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Entry door maintenance is crucial for prolonging the life of your doors in Coppell, Texas. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and inspection, can prevent costly replacements and ensure your doors function properly. Door Maintenance Coppell Texas services can help keep your entry doors in top condition. Entry door installation is a key service offered by door contractors in Coppell, Texas. Professional entry doors installation ensures that your doors are properly fitted and secure. Front door installation Coppell services provide expert installation for a variety of door types, including custom entry doors Coppell and energy-efficient doors. Entry door design is an important aspect of choosing the right door for your home in Coppell, Texas. With a wide range of entry door styles and entry door color options, you can select a design that complements your home's architecture. Door Design Coppell TX services can help you explore the latest trends and options. Entry door replacement is essential for addressing any issues with your doors in Coppell, Texas. Whether it's a minor adjustment or a major replacement, Door Replacement Coppell TX services can restore your doors to their original condition. Prompt replacements can prevent further damage and ensure your doors remain functional. Entry door hardware is a critical component of your doors in Coppell, Texas. From handles to hinges, the right hardware can enhance the functionality and appearance of your doors. Door Hardware Coppell services offer a wide selection of high-quality hardware options to suit your needs. Entry door glass options provide an opportunity to add style and natural light to your home in Coppell, Texas. From clear to frosted glass, there are numerous options to choose from. Glass doors. Coppell TX services can help you select the perfect glass for your entry doors Coppell. Entry door weatherproofing is essential for protecting your home from the elements in Coppell, Texas. Proper weatherproofing can prevent drafts and water damage, ensuring your doors remain in excellent condition. Weatherproof doors. Coppell services offer solutions to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient.